Okay, hello and welcome. This is a screencast from Screenomatic, and it's going to show you how to use some of the features on BioDigital Human, which is a really cool website that can show you different parts of a human body all together in 3D. So first of all, there used to be a feature where you could click on whatever muscle you wanted, and then you could click on this little volume button over here and it would read you the name. It no longer has that feature, so there's no longer an audio feature, but that's okay. You can still click on them and it will tell you the name of the organ or muscle that you're clicking on. Next, there's a dissect tool down here on the bottom. So come down here, you click the dissect tool, and then you come up and click where you want to dissect. So I'm going to dissect away these muscles in the front here. So you can see how now there's more, the next layer of muscle is now showing. So you can click it again, and the next layer of muscle is showing, and you can click again, and then that whole muscle is gone, and you can see the greater momentum inside. You can click and remove that, and you can see it even better. Then you can remove this so you can see the intestines inside. So you can keep doing that. You can do it with any organ so you can see the different layers. Next, another cool tool is that you can add and remove organs. So you come over here and you click on this anatomy button, and then here's a list of all of, this is a list of all of the, sorry, it's all expanded out. So you can see this is what I have selected. I have everything on, the integument system, the muscular system, etc. So say I don't want to see the muscular system, I can just click this toggle and it will turn it off. And look, now I just have all the other systems. But say I want the muscular system on, but I don't want the muscles of the head and neck. Then I click this little arrow like I just did and pull it down. And then I'm able to turn off the muscles of the head and neck like this. And you can do that with any parts of the body, any muscles, like you could turn off the nervous system and have no nerves. So you're able to do that, and you can select what you really want to see. You could get it down to just one organ if you wanted to. If you're wanting to learn about conditions of a specific organ or what it does, then you need to close. So if you have the anatomy window open, you have to click on the anatomy button and the anatomy explorer button to close it. And then you need to click whatever muscle you're interested in. So say I want to know about the left pectoralis major. Then I come over here and look, this tells me about it. Cool, this is the fan-shaped muscle situated at the chest. Okay, I want to read more. And it'll actually take you to a Wikipedia page, and you can scroll down and read everything there is to know about this muscle, including clinical significance, which you can click down, and it shows you different syndromes and illnesses and other diseases that can come along with that specific muscle. And lastly, you can quiz yourself. So let's say that I want to quiz myself on the muscles. So I'm going to take off all of the other things, turn them all off. So I just have the muscular system on. Then I'm going to go to the quiz, which is down here. It's Quiz Me. Click on Quiz Me, and you can choose how many questions. I'm just going to do 5 questions. Then you click Let's Get Started. Then it's going to zoom in and show you muscle, and it's going to give you options. Identify the highlighted anatomy. So this is the, let's just choose this one. See, and then it tells you to confirm your answer. Confirm it. Oh, that was wrong. This is the right iliocastus cervicus. Also, that's what I guessed. The right answer is left splenius capitis. And you just do this all the way through. So I'm just going to go through and click random ones. This is the left costals. All the way through to the 5th one. And then it tells you what your score is. You correctly answered 5 questions. You got 0%. You can take another quiz or no thanks. And then if maybe it quizzed you too hard or whatever, you can come over here And you can change and take off things that you don't need to learn and just have it set to the muscles that you do need to know. And that's it. That's the tutorial on how to use, that's a tutorial of how to use BioDigital Human in a nutshell.